Hi, today I'm making tender smoked turkey. We all love the smoked turkey legs that we get from amusement parks and fairs, and these are really something that you can just buy in the grocery store or at Walmart. And I'm going to just share a little tip that will take your smoked turkey to the next level. And so I actually do this when I have some time on the weekend. And what you're going to do is take about a cup and a half of water for each big smoked turkey leg. So if you're doing two, you want to double that. And you're going to add that water to a baking dish, and just place your smoked turkey into the dish. You're going to put it on 300, and you're going to let it cook low and slow. But before you start that process, you really need to make sure that you have covered your turkey leg or legs with foil. And the most important thing is that the edges are sealed because you want it to steam inside of the baking dish. Now you're going to cook this for about 2.5 hours. That's the reason I do it on the weekend. Just covered. It's going to make the whole house fragrant. But when it's done, as you can see here, you will be able to see the drippings from that smoked turkey. You can take those drippings and make something, add it to another recipe. But also you'll see that you can use a fork to just peel off the turkey. And that's the way I like my smoked turkey. And so this is, again, something that you can do over a weekend, but this is how you have tender smoked turkey.